guys, today we're gonna be playing Airplane Story 2. And this is my first time playing this game, so let's see how this is gonna work out. As you can tell, this is probably not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 Presidential Aircraft. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. Okay? You saved an airplane last time. Since when? We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day. Again, and that is the reason why you are here. Okay. Alright, enough chatting. That we aren't chatting, you are, please find the seat that has a golden label with your name on it. But girly pops, like my name tag ain't golden, but whatever. Okay, you're supposed to sit down, bro. But where is he? Oh, nah. Oh, wait a minute, what happened to that guy, like, did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. Girl, someone died. Okay, I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. KK. Okay, let's go. Okay, and remember, no one should know about this. Okay, what the heck? And did anyone else see that? Hello there. Welcome to the presidential airplane. And congratulations for what you have done. Why'd you look angry about that? Okay, let's go follow him. But first, don't you think you guys need a break? Let's go. Anyways, look, the president is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. Okay, but there is something you must know before that. What? The president is very special. Oh, I never knew that. Anyways, he gets mad very easily. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airport. Sure, I'll try. That's all. President should be almost ready. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Sure.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Oh, she in trouble. Look at this mess. Blah, blah, blah. The president is gonna be so mad. Like, bruh. Please find something to clean this mess, or else we'll have to lock Rosie_86 for the rest of the flight. Wait, where did they get the brooms? Oh, okay. Okay, we've got a broom now. We need to clean up. So wait, what the heck? Wait, you didn't even get to clean. Great, it's clean. Wait, president is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Okay, let's go. Why does that look like Donald Trump? Wait a minute. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Do you guys know what I'm gonna do? Build that brick wall. Okay, first of all, I'm jumping on his head, but I'm gonna do something else, and it's gonna be really funny. I'm sorry, it's the habit. But wait a minute. Okay, let me just type it up. Now, guys, I'm the president. So everyone obey me. Oh, wait, I think I know what to say.
Let me go find me a pen, pick where it like. Now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she